Can you smell it?
I have allergies.
So Lexi has poured all over me
I was an accident.
chocolate-covered maple smoked bacon soda, and I can smell it quite strongly
I'm gagging. This is the gag
as I
reflex.
enter the Twilight Zone with this soda pop.
Space Jam for strength. These are my cups, by the way, people.
Yeah, mine have vanished. Lexi ate them.
No, my cups ate them.
Okay, are you ready? Lexi first. Are you
I'm
ready?
not Catholic, but I feel like I need to.
Crush yourself?
Yeah.
Just stop delaying. It's a good thing I'm washing these jeans tomorrow. How's it taste? How's it smell? Swirl it like an elegant wine taster.
I'm scared. No, wait. You gotta wait for the video.
Well, then do it, you coward! Look, I don't want your hand germs. How is it?
Dog vomit.
Brittany, turn. Not as bad as I thought it would be. It's like a bad Jelly Belly.
It's like. Wait for the aftertaste. Wait for the aftertaste.
No, it's here. It's arrived.
Don't put it back in your mouth!
I'm not gonna waste it.
I mean,
Oh gosh. Also, this soda is really gonna help our ant problem.
Who invented this? Some sort of evil sadist who
I
likes
don't know.
torturing people?
But we did it.
We're gonna do another one next week, aren't we?
Yeah, we have 5 more bottles, babe.